Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to solve question number 11, paper 1-1, November 14. The gram show the part of a curve y is equal 4x plus 1 all to the power of half and another curve half x to the power of 2 plus 1 intersecting at point P 0 and 1 and Q is 2 and 3. If it is not given these 2 points, you have to solve the equations simultaneously and get the values of x and y for P and Q, but it's given, the values of P and Q. Find alpha, the angle between two tangents to the curve at Q is alpha, the acute angle between two lines. Find alpha, giving your answer in degrees corrected to 3 significant figures. Before we started to get this angle in general, to get the measure of any angle, the acute angle between two lines, remember this formula, please. Tan theta, where theta angle between two lines, is equal to the magnitude of the value m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1, m2. The magnitude sign, this value means write it positive value, whatever negative or positive, to get the acute angle in between. So we need to find the angle between two lines. To get the angle between two lines, you have to get the gradient of first, the gradient of second, then apply this equation. Tan theta is equal m1 minus m2 divided by 1 plus m1 on m2. Let's start now to find the gradient of tangent, because it's written here, these two lines are tangent to the curve at Q. Do you remember how to get the gradient of tangent? Means derivative, differentiation, then substitute the given point. It's a given find the angle alpha corrected to 3 significant figure. The angle between the tangent to the curve at Q. First, this line is a tangent for this curve and the tangent for this curve at this point. First, we'll start for the first curve. Y is equal 4x plus 1 all to the power of half. Second curve, y equals half x squared plus 1. To get the gradient, first find the derivative, dy by dx. Differentiation of the power n, drop the power, then minus 1. Then differentiate of 4x plus 1, which is 4. Simplify it, half of 4, which is 2, times 4x plus 1 all to the power of negative half. To get the gradient of tangent at the point Q, substitute by the given point, which is 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So the gradient m1 is 2 times 4 times 2, which is 8 plus 1 is 9, all to the power of negative half. So m1 is equal to over 3 simplified. By the same way, find the dy by dx of the second function. Drop the power of the minus 1 will be x. When you drop 2 times a half is 1, x power 1, differentiation of 1 is 0. Then find the gradient m2 at the same point, 2 and 3, substitute by x is 2, so m2 is 2. Now we have two gradients m1 and m2. To find the angle between the two lines is equal to m1 and m2, their subtraction. So it's better to write the bigger first. It's a 2 minus 2 over 3 divided by 1 plus 2 times 2 over 3. When you calculate this value, tan theta is equal to 2 minus 2/3 is 1 and 1/3, 1 and 1/3, or will be 4 over 3. 4 over 3 divided by 1 plus 4 over 3. So the answer would be 7 over 3. So the exact value of the gradient tan theta is equal to 4 over 7. When you use your calculator, shift tan 4 over 7 and write your answer corrected to 3 significant figures. Shift tan. Shift tan 4 over 7. So the answer will be 29.7. Theta is equal 29.7 degrees. Second part, he asked to find the area or volume of shaded part. Find by integration the area of the shaded. To get the area of the shaded, you can integrate from A to B from 0 to 2 for the first function minus from 0 to 2 for the second function. It's better to start with higher one. This function is higher. So in general, to get the area, this is in part 2, to get the area is integrate from A to B y by dx. This is area between two graphs, start from 0 to 2. The first function is 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1, 4x plus 1 all to the power of half by dx, minus integrate from 0 to 2. The second function, have x squared plus 1, have x squared plus 1, started to integrate 4x plus 1, to integrate add 1 will be 3 over 2, divided by the new power 3 over 2, multiplied by coefficient of x, the limits from 0 to 2. Minus, by the same way, to integrate half x squared, we'll add 1, it's a half, when we add 1 to be 3, divided by new power, plus 1 will be 1x, the limits from 0 to 2, then simplify your answer. You can simplify, will be 1 over 6, 4x plus 1 all to the power of 3 over 2. From 0 to 2, you have to sure work out by substitute by 2 minus 0. Minus, to simplify this, will be half divided by 3 will be 1 over 6 x to the power of 3 plus x, limits from 0 to 2. You can find the area of first, the area of second, by substituting by 2 minus 0. Second one by the same way, substitute, then find the final answer will be 1 if you calculate the final answer. But you have to continue and to complete and to sure work out how to substitute by 2 and how to substitute by 0 to get the final answer. Thank you.